Hello Digital Explorer. After diving into the linguistic depth of spaCy, we are ready to embark on another adventurous. This time, we are unlocking the secrets of the rule-based matching in spaCy. Whether you are a developer, a data scientist, or is simply fascinated by the power of languages, this episode will equip you with the tools to extract the information from the text with precision. So, let's get started. In the vast ocean of the text, finding the specific information can be like searching for the treasure. That's where token-based matching comes in. With the spaCy matcher classes, we can define the patterns that plugs out the piece of information we needed without the complexity of the regular expressions. So let's check off some of the examples on that. When you look it in the code, it looks like a complicated, but don't worry, we'll go over the line by line on this. We imported the spaCy in the first line. This should be familiar with you. On the second line, we imported the matcher class in order to use it in the rest of the code. On the next line, we create the NLP object as usual and creating the doc object with our examples sentences. Now, pay attention. A matcher object needs to be initialized with the vocabularize object. So, in the line 5, we initialize our matcher object with the language model vocabulary. What comes next is define the patterns we want to be matcher. Here, we defining the patterns as a list where every list items encloses in a bracket represents on one token object. A token whose lower text is good, a token whose lower text is morning, that is bunch, future is true. Then we need to introduce this pattern to matcher. This is what the matcher.add line does. Then we introduce our pattern to the matcher object and name this rule as a morning greeting. Finally, we can do this matcher operation on next line by calling matcher on the doc object. A matcher results in the list of triplets in the form. On the final line, we iterates over the results list and printed the results matcher starting position, end position and text. As you might have noticed, the white space between good and morning didn't matter at all. We couldn't have put two white space in between. Write down the good morning and the results would be identical. Why? Because matcher matches the tokens and token attributes. Can we match more complex patterns? Absolutely. spaCy matcher class allows us to combine multiple token attributes, making it incredibly versatile. Let's dive deep into with our next example. Now that we cover the basics, let's push our boundaries. Imagine matching a greeting is not just in the morning but by any time of the day. With the spaCy, we can craft this pattern that captures the variations with ease, making our matching as a dynamic as language itself. So let's get into the code. This time we did things bit differently. We defined a second patterns again matching the three tokens, but this time it's evening instead of morning. On the next line, we added it to matcher class. At this point, matcher contains the two patterns, morning greeting and even greeting. Again, we call the matchers on our sentences and examine the result. This time, the result list has two items, good morning and good evening, corresponding to two different patterns, morning greeting and evening greeting. Notice how we can match the good morning and good evening and in one go. The flexibility opens up a world of possibilities for extracting the precision information from text. After going through this example, I think you have a question. Can we integrate with this spaCy machine learning model? Great question. By combining rule-based matching with the spaCy statistic model, we can fine-tune our information extraction for even better accuracy. Rule-based matching and statistic models are like two sides of the same coin. While rule-based patterns excel in precision, statistical model offer the context understanding. By integrating them, we create the robust NLP pipeline that leverages the strength of both approaches. Like phone numbers and dates comes in various formats, but with spaCy, we are equipped to handle them all. By combining linguistic feature with spaCy, powerful match operation, we can pinpoint exactly where they're looking for, from the domestic phone numbers to international formats. This powerful combination allows to extract the nuanced information with high precision, elevating our NLP application to the high level. And there you have it, the art of science of rule-based matching in spaCy. From simple token matching to the seamless integrating with statistical model. We uncovered the techniques that empower us to extract the meaningful information from text with unmatching precision. This journey through the heart of spaCy matchmaking capability has sparked your curiosity. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exploration into the world of NLP. Have a thoughts or any questions? Drop the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious. Bye bye.